morning. This is Poonam Darade from Fundamental Desk. I'll take you through the morning commentary today. The US market ended mixed as concerns over timing of future interest rate hike overshadowed gains in the materials and energy stocks. Better than estimated Q4 data raised concern that the Fed may increase interest rates sooner than later. The Dow Jones lost 57 points to close at 16,640, while Nasdaq gained 8 points to close at 4,590. Asian markets are trading mixed as investors focus on oil prices rebound and economic events. Nikkei is trading higher by 0.6% while Hang Seng is trading lower by 0.95%. SGX Nifty is trading lower by 0.52%. Indian indices are expected to open in red and the focus will be on the union budget and global development. The latest economic survey projected the real GDP growth for FY17 to be in 7 to 7.75% range versus the 7.6% projected in FY16. It pointed out that policymakers will have to contend with an unusually challenging and weaker external environment and be prepared for major currency readjustment. The survey cautioned that the foreign demand is likely to be weak, that puts the onus of growth on the domestic sources of demand where the pay commission award and a normal monsoon can boost the consumption in its opinion. The survey highlighted that the broken balance sheets of the banking as well as the corporate sector will be most critical in short-term challenges for the private investments and the economic recovery. Most importantly, it argued for a review of the fiscal consolidation framework and recommended that the government purchase insurance against downside risks to the economy by increasing public investment rather than reducing the fiscal deficit significantly. So the eyes would be on the union budget which would be presented by the finance minister today at 11 a.m. Thank you.